Here's how to check if your RAM is DDR4 or DDR5. The first thing that you need to do is on your laptop, go to CPU-Z software website. Afterwards, click on the consent options that you will see once you're already on the website. And then, what you need to do is to download the CPU-Z system information software to the device or laptop that you have. After downloading, go to the file download options and run the CPU-Z application. After running the application, you will be redirected on this page, or when you click the app, this will appear. Now what you need to do is to open the application, and you will see there at the very top is the memory option. Once you see there the memory option, you will see there the RAM and the type that you have. And now that you can see that you are on the DDR5.